Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we are going to show you how to register a premium SMS keyword to utilize when sending out text message broadcasts through DialMyCalls. To get started with adding an SMS keyword to your account, from your DialMyCalls dashboard, click Other Services and then click on Keywords from the drop-down menu. All DialMyCalls accounts will have access to a demo keyword to use with our text message broadcasting. Premium keywords are available to register for $4.95 per month. Once an account has purchased credits or a monthly plan, a free premium keyword becomes available. Please note that free premium keywords cannot be changed once they are registered. If you require a new keyword, then you will need to purchase an additional one at $4.95 per month. All keywords will have a few advanced options that you can set up from within your DialMyCalls account. Click on Update Notifications for your keyword to add email notifications to that specific keyword. Emails will be sent every time someone opts into your keyword. Click on Update Welcome Message for your keyword to add a custom welcome message. People that opt into your keyword will receive a custom welcome text message back. Please note that customers can opt into receiving text from you by texting your keyword to DialMyCalls' short code 80123. That concludes our tutorial video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a great day.